Welcome to our channel. In this chapter, we're going to be doing the removal of the front seat. This is the 2019 Chevy Camaro on the series of different chapters for the removal and installation of the leather kits. We are demystifying the installation process for these things. It's not that difficult. So let me show you guys. You're going to need that red prior tool right there. It's plastic, a Torx 45, a 10 socket or a T30 for the seat belt, and a small screwdriver, a flat one. So let me put this right here so I can demonstrate the process. So what we're doing right here is we're going to pry the outer shell of the seat belt. We're going to make a little gap so we can access like this. And then you have your cover. One thing that I noticed in this vehicle, it has corrosion. It means it rained and the tap was not up. So because of that, water get into the whole car, and now we have corrosion all over the place. For this, you can use the Torx 30 or a 10 millimeter. Some of these seat belts has a sensor in the length of the seat belt. So when we remove these ones, we tend to do something like this, just to retain the length outside the seat belt. Not in this vehicle. Some more modern cars has that feature. So now that you have that one out, you're gonna have two Torx 45, I believe it's 50. Let me check. 50 for the back. Now we're gonna put the seat all the way up, because this is what I want you guys to see. Besides the corrosion, when you move your seat forward, you're gonna find the plug. We call them a logical plug. We don't know if it's the correct term. But that's the plug right there. Now, to release that plug is very simple. All you gotta do is remove the red thing that is no longer there. It should be there, a lock is missing. And then you're gonna pry down the yellow so you can release. You can release it completely, but we don't want you to do that yet, because we need to take off the two Torx 50 in the back so we can lift the seat, put it back on the truck. We don't want the truck to be hanging like that long. We want a short truck just for the installation process, because once it's out of the vehicle, you cannot operate the motors. So let me do that now. Just to make this quicker. Now, I'm gonna move my seat back, just so that truck is not all the way sticking out of the frame. Now we lift this and we release the whole plug. And in this position, you move the seat backwards and it's released now. it can come out of the car. And that was your removal process. Now, the interesting part is going to be in the next chapter with the rear seat. So I'll prepare so I can demonstrate how it's done. Now we are in the rear section. This particular seat cushion has a hook over here and a hook in the other side. It's attached by a clip into the frame. So I'm going to be using this suspension thing remover because I have it in the shop. Then I'm going to wrap it around a towel. And there you have it, guys. That's one up. If the plastic comes out, you just remove it and put it back later on. If the car were more fresh, we wouldn't have this issue. But it's not the case, so it has problems. So there you have your cushion out. Now for the backrest, we have 2/10 right here. And to release the backrest, there is a clip right here in the center. You just pry it down and it will release the seat. So basically this is your clip. You just push it down and it will release the backrest. So guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. As you saw in previous videos, we are gonna remove these covers really quick so we can install the new ones. It's gonna be fast process, very simple. Visit us at LeatherTeck.com so you can buy your leather kit. Also, you can go to EM Upholstery Technology. Like and subscribe. If you have a particular question or you need me to shoot something in particular, put it in the comments. I will be happy to help.